I am the moonlight that breaks through the darkness.
Welcome to Mobile Legends! 5 seconds till the enemy reaches the battlefield. Smash them! All troops deployed!
Could be soaked to the skin in the mall soon. I know she got the good vibes when seasons change, but we're the same. Even if I lost all my money, the zero runs deep, honey. And I don't need to speak a single word.
My arrow is my answer.
Where do you think you're going?
No matter how much more suffering we'll go through.
Thank you! Wise choice.
Patience, my friend.
First blood. You can't run from my arrow. An enemy has been slain.
I'll be killing time like I might be a cartoon. Take it in real life like haiku. I know we got the good vibes when
Beware of ambush. I can handle that. Okay. The way of the arrow. Swift, silent, and precise. Watch your back. Attack the turtle.
The way of the hunter. Moderate, respectful, and sincere. The way of the bow. Flexible, reserved, and understated.
like I'm Jimmy at Woodstock.
Never back down, or prepare for destruction.
An enemy has been slain. Where do you think you're going? An ally has slain the turtle.
The forest might burn, the moon may be dark, but our
You have slain an enemy.
Clear up lanes.
Wise choice. You can't run from my arrow.
never back down, or prepare for the moon forever shine upon us. The way of the bow, flexible, reserved, and understated.
An enemy has been slain. I can handle that. The way of the arrow. Swift, silent, and precise. Your team destroyed a turret. Killing spree.
The way of the hunter.
Killing spree.
Moderate, respectful, and sincere.
Battle cell cooldown. Ally has been slain. Watch.
Initiate retreat. Thank you. Mega kill! An ally has slain the turtle. The moon may be dark. Your team destroyed the turret. Everything.
Where do you think you're going?
An enemy has been slain. May the moon forever shine upon us. Enemy killing! Unstoppable! Initiate retreat! Launch attack! Our turret has been destroyed. Initiate retreat! Shut down! Monster kill! Okay! Elves won't give in, no matter how much more suffering we'll go through. Killing spree!